Hello students, I am Shaila Goel, your English teacher. Today we are doing chapter 13 verbs of grammar. Now we will understand the usage of is, am and are. These are also auxiliary verbs and also known as helping verbs. He is hard working. Is a state of being in this sentence and it is used with the present tense. He is hard working. State of being. Now the second example is I am enjoying. Here am is used with I and am is a state of being. It is not an action word, it is not a possession, it is a state of being, being. Next example is they are happy. Are is used with the plural pronoun and are is a state of being here because how a person is, we are talking about that, the state. We are not talking about the action or the possession. So students, let us understand how we use is, am, are. Is, am, are is prominently used with the present tense when we are talking about now. Am has only one friend I and it is always used only with I. We can say कि am is बहुत शर्मीला है. Okay, so am is always used with I. I am playing. I am sitting. So students, the usage of am is with I. Is used with singular pronoun or nouns like he is smiling. The boy is smiling. When I use the boy or the girl or the child, then it becomes noun. And when I am using he, it becomes pronoun. When we are talking about singular noun or pronoun, then we use is. Next is the bag is heavy. The bag is the thing. And when I am using singular thing, then also I use is. The luggage is heavy. The bag is heavy. Next is lion is the king of the jungle. Here lion is a singular animal. With animal also we will use is if it is singular. Are is used with plural nouns or pronouns. Now what are the plural pronouns? They are they, we, okay, and it is also used with the exception that is you. You are. We never use is with you. Whether it is used for a singular person or many, you always takes are along with it. Bikes are the best mode of transport. Now here bikes are plural, many, so we are using are along with it. Cats are very fluffy. Now here there are more than one animal, that is cats, and we use are because of this. You are my best friend. With you we use are. So students, to make the things clear, let us revise. I will always come with am, okay, or we can say am will always accompany I. Is used with singular pronouns that are he, she or it, okay. Is can also be used with any noun name, okay. For example, Radha is dancing, the boy is playing, the luggage is heavy, the bottle is broken. Whether it is a thing, a name of a person, any noun, it also takes is if it is singular. And are always come with the pronouns known as you, they and we are also accompanies all the nouns which are in plural. For example, cats, men. Men are talking. So more than one man is talking, so we will use are. Now students, I hope you have understood the usage of is, am, are. Thank you students. I hope you have a happy learning.